Children.
Maybe. You know, it's the first time I really thought about it. It's not going to be easy to find a place for those children.
This is the coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations and cable television companies serving Mariposa, Merced, Madera, Fresno, Kings, and Tulare counties. Equipment that can warn you of a life-threatening emergency is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, such as severe weather, a 911 system failure, or other life-threatening condition, an official message would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Everything all right?
Sentía que lo harías. Lástima. Antes de conocernos, cuando aún era Michael Long,
it's customized to the handle, it's customized to each strap. So by using this,
This is the coordinated monthly test of the emergency alert system equipment. If this had been an actual emergency, you would have received timely emergency information. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
things that we want to do here is, we talk about not compromising
The
style.
radio test of the National Tsunami Warning System. If this were an actual tsunami warning, the National Weather Service would instantly broadcast this information via all available means to inform coastal areas of the impending hazard. This is only a test. This concludes the required monthly test of the emergency alert system.
很多的火，五脏都有火，然后跟睡眠比较有关，就叫做心火跟肝火。
Weather Service would instantly broadcast this information via all available means to inform coastal areas of the impending hazard. This is only a test. This concludes the required monthly test of the emergency alert system.
These are all the softest, genuine leather you can imagine. Option 2, they're calling it the gray. It's more like your natural.
I just want my job back. I'm not looking for some big therapy trip.
All right, well, why don't you just sweep your emotions
The National Weather Service in Hanford, California has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Merced County in central California until 5:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. It's 4:55 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located near Atwater, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and accumulating hail up to penny size. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Merced, Atwater, Livingston, and Whitten. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
not what you think, Daphne. I was just referring to the
Low
time
was 9 degrees above the normal low of 40. The record low is 23 degrees, which was last set in 1943. No This is a weekly test of the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Warning Device for station KIH-28 in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather during the normal test time, the test will be postponed to the next good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous weather watches and warnings for the following counties and marine areas near the city of Philadelphia, in Pennsylvania: Berks, Bucks, Chester, Delaware, Montgomery, and Philadelphia. In New Jersey: Burlington, Camden, Cumberland, Gloucester, Hunterdon, Mercer, Monmouth, and Salem. In Delaware: Kent and Newcastle, including Upper Delaware Bay. And in Maryland: Cecil, including Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island. This concludes the weekly test of NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards, station KIH-28 in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards. Here is the official National Weather Service forecast.
This is a test of the emergency alert system. The Delaware Emergency Management Agency is participating in a test exercise and has sounded emergency sirens in Newcastle County as part of this test. Had this been an actual emergency, you would have been advised to listen to this radio station for additional instructions and details. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Well, I'll be a hitchhiker.